Okay guys, so we're going to create this easy, simple look, guys. Nothing difficult. If you come on YouTube and you want something simple to the point, you have an event to go to, this is like going to be the easiest, cheesiest eye look you're gonna ever find on YouTube. I'm telling you, so easy. Okay, so just watch me. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to be doing, what I'm gonna do now, I'm just going to, I already set my eyes. I'm going to just set the rest. I'm telling you, this eye look is going to be so easy. You're going to be amazed, like for real. So first and foremost, just set that. The Makeup Revolution Marvelous Mattes, and we're going to use this brush, and we're going to use this white, and we're going to add that to the inner portions of the eyes here. Super simple, super easy. Okay. So after we're finished with that, we'll just set that. Going with a clean blending brush now to just blend out the edges a little bit, so it doesn't look too, you know, white. This is Jwillscool Saharan 2. We're gonna take this brown, this one, see that? And we're using a blending brush. This is from my Sylyne brush set. So we're just going to pack it first, and then we're going to blend it later on. Diffusing the color, because that's going to give it that blown out effect. French coffee, I don't know, French coffee kind of color, this one. And we're going to add that, so just add that. Like so. Okay, and then we're finished. Good. Now I'm just gonna add some liner. So I'm gonna take this liner and I'm going to break it a little bit at the back of my hand. From Practic by Sigma. It's an angled brush. Okay, so this is the eye look, guys. Yes guys, it's time for the foundation, so I'm gonna add some foundation. NYX Stay Matte but not flat. I'm gonna use this foundation brush. This is from the Sylyne 18-piece brush set. It's gonna take that around the mouth. Buff that in. No! Next is our NYX concealer. I'm just going to use this. This is the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. I'm just going to take that right here. I'm going to use one of these baby sponges. I just blend a concealer under the eyes. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I added my lashes, and I added some of the liner to my lower lash line, and I just smudge it out with the same brown from this palette, the Jwillscool Saharan 2 palette. So what's the next thing that we're going to do? Oh, I added some powder under the eyes. Not sure if it was in focus. I just added some powder on this brush, and I just added like so under the eyes. And what else did I do? I use this brush. This brush is from the new Sylyne 10-piece set, and I use this bronzer, or this bronzy color, this one, and I mixed it with this one, and I just blend it on my face like so. Yeah, and we just blend that on the face. Yeah. Oh, we use this brush to just blend away the excess powder from under the eyes. And we're just gonna leave the nose like this just to bake a little bit. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use this same brush to add some color to my cheekbones. Yeah. So just gonna use this color. And we're gonna add that because guess what? We have to bronze up the face a little bit. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna take it right here. We're just gonna blend that in. We're going to cut the crease, cut the cheek. Like so. Nice. One more. Good. Same thing, we're gonna blend out here. We're just gonna move real fast. We don't want to waste any time, so I'm gonna line my lips. Okay, I'm gonna go in with ColourPop Lippy Stick in Can't Wait. Oh. I'm gonna put some gloss over that. Okay guys, so this is the finished eyes. I hope you love it. Let me just zoom in. So yes guys, so this is the eyes. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to enter my giveaway guys. All the links will be in the description below, so go and check it out. The giveaway, beautiful brushes guys. Beautiful brushes guys, so just go out and check it out. Don't mind the dogs, they're just barking because I don't know why. But yeah guys, go and check out my giveaway, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I would really appreciate it. Hope you enjoy the look. Simple, easy, straight to the point, you know, face all nice and glowy. Really enjoyed it.
I think so.